the pitchy patchy me love.
Jonkunu is another of the traditional dances of African and European origin. Research indicates that this dance once formed part of an elaborate festival in Africa. Here in Jamaica, Jonkunu is performed mainly at Christmas time.
This is a secular dance, which also is one of the mixes that you will find coming out of Europe and Africa. It's a masquerade, and it was developed by the slaves as an expression of festivity, celebration, but also as a method of ridiculing the slave masters.
In the early days, the Jonkunu dance was kept alive through competitions on the sugar estates.
Show me how you tread, you need a long, long tread. Tread on, your long, long tread. Nanny, nanny, tread, you need a long, long tread. Tread on, your long, long tread. Show me how you tread, you need a long, long tread. Tread on.
Ring games were originally English children's games. In the past, traditional ring games were played not only by children, but also by adults. Today, however, it is mostly children who play the game of song and dance. Ring games have taken on a local form over the years and now show some physical dexterity and creativity.
Our traditional dances are what makes us unique, special people, are what makes us different from other Caribbean islands, other parts of the world. And when we go abroad, this is what we have to use to present ourselves as Jamaicans, as our heritage. And so therefore it's very important that it's preserved and kept for future generations.
Despite the fact that most of our traditional dances have lost their significance, these should be kept alive as expressions of our ancestral culture.